my god. Outfits of the day. Good morning. We are going to breakfast. Then we're going to the alpaca farm today and to the market. But first things first is breakfast. Say I'm excited in every video I take. I'm not very excited today to show you guys breakfast. Mom, what meat did you get? Ham. I got bacon. Little guy's so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Gracias. Oh. And the way that one pranced over, are you kidding? Oh.
I feel like you could have an alpaca.
They all ran over. Oh my gosh, they're strong. You're cute. Wow.
Okay.
And what color does that give?
Yes, red color.
Wow. I would never think that from the cactus. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Then,
That's cool.
yeah, take a other color one. This one. This is the cochineal. Green.
Is this alpaca right here?
Yeah, this one the wool, the alpacas, natural colors. This one is different. This is using cotton, Pima cotton.
Oh, that's
Yes,
Pima
this.
cotton?
Uh-huh.
Wow. That's cool. Little update, we went to an alpaca farm, which was really cool. It was actually more than just an alpaca farm. It was like a bunch of the Peruvian animals, which are all kind of like alpacas. So that was really fun. We learned some cool stuff there. And now we are going to the PSAC market. Okay, so we're here at the market and it's great, but we realized we really need coffee. My mom bought some pillowcases that are super cute. Wow, those are fun. Hola. The market is great. We came here once before when we came to Peru and it was a lot. Wow, that's so pretty. Look how pretty this is, Mom. The colors, oh my gosh. But yeah, it was a lot more crowded when we came here last time. But I think that's because it's a Monday. I just want to buy everything because everything's so cool. Ooh, smoothies? I could go for a smoothie.
Okay, well, let's make sure that. Oh, they do.
Cafe?
Okay, we can go here.
Wow, it smells so good. Oh my god, that scared me so bad.
What are you getting so I don't get the same thing?
We're back at our favorite restaurant that we've been getting the pisco sours at, and we're eating dinner here, and it looks so yummy. We got our appetizer. I'm excited to try the ceviche because everyone raves about the ceviche in Peru. Ooh, okay.
Mine's got a rice pyramid. Okay.
Cute. Cheers. Okay, so we're walking back to the hotel right now, post bar. It's like basically midnight. Oh, it's almost my birthday!
Oh, it is?
Yeah, in 2 minutes I'll be 25. Good morning. It's my birthday. We're going to go get coffee. We had breakfast downstairs this morning, which was delicious. And we're going to our favorite coffee shop that has a really good chocolate. We're currently at a market in Cusco because we're doing a cooking class, which is going to be so fun. We were just learning about all the different foods and fruits and produce and all the spices and everything. We're going to go back to the cooking class itself and start cooking.
We will use quebrada. That's the kind of grape we use to make this coffee.
We'll actually hear like a lot of peas.
So much office.